People have been drinking wine for thousands of years. It has been considered an after-dinner drink, a celebratory treat, or just a relaxing way for people to unwind from their day. Red wine in particular is paired with lean meats, Italian dishes, gourmet burgers, and roasted vegetables. Drinking a glass of wine a day has some benefits. But does red wine stain teeth? We investigate. Red wine is popular among drinkers who are both young and old. It even has a few benefits when drunk in limited amounts or a few times a week. Red wine has antioxidants that have been linked to helping prevent coronary artery disease, which is associated with heart attacks. Drinking wine can also help you relax after a long day of work or travel. While wine has antioxidants, there are also other particles in it that can lead to oral issues. Does red wine stain teeth? Yes, it does. Red wine has compounds in it called tannins. These tannins are very sticky. When red wine is repeatedly drunk, these tannins can stick to your teeth, causing discoloring to happen. Your teeth may temporarily have a red tint to them, or after long periods of drinking without cleaning, your teeth may become dingy or drop a few shades darker. Red wine tannins are part of the chemical compound in wine, so there is no way to remove them from the wine before drinking. Even if you just have one glass of red wine on occasion, your teeth will be washed in these very sticky tannins. The best way to remove tannins is to brush your teeth immediately after drinking the wine. While this is very inconvenient, it does help prevent the tannins from sticking to your teeth for long periods of time. Does red wine stain teeth? Yes. The longer the tannins are on your teeth, the darker your teeth will become. While brushing your teeth is a good preventative measure against the tannins, you won't be able to remove all of them. Eventually, your teeth will become stained if you drink red wine, or perhaps your teeth are already stained from wine. That's okay, you have a few options to brighten your smile and remove the tannins. At-home teeth whitening treatments can help give you a bright white smile. There are many to choose from with pens, whitening lights, strips, and special toothpaste. But there's only one treatment that will give your entire smile a full coverage of the whitening treatment and help brighten the front, backs, crevices, and molars of your teeth. What's this treatment? Custom teeth whitening trays. Your dentist may offer to make you custom teeth whitening trays, but that will require a visit to make the impressions, and it can be quite costly. The dentist may suggest a blue light treatment in the office, but again, that requires scheduling and insurance, and that comes with a pretty big bill. If you want to remove red wine stains from the comfort of your home without breaking the bank, Sporting Smiles offers custom teeth whitening trays. Sporting Smiles has been in business since 2009 and has a patented impression kit that makes taking impressions easy at home. With our adjustable trays being able to fit any sized mouth, anyone can take impressions for whitening trays. Paired with the foaming whitening gel that activates at the touch of your saliva, your entire set of teeth will receive a premium whitening treatment that will erase years of red wine stains on your teeth. Does red wine stain teeth? Yes, you know that now, but with custom whitening trays, you can enjoy the wine and avoid the stains. This treatment will help remove the tannins from your teeth and restore your smile to a bright white color in just a few treatments. If you're interested in custom teeth whitening trays from Sporting Smiles, all you have to do is click the link below.